Hi students, in this section I am going to teach 10th standard physics lesson number 1, relation between small g and capital G. Relation between acceleration due to gravity small g and gravitational constant capital G. Consider Earth. Radius of the earth or capital M, mass of the earth. Consider a body, mass small m is placed on the surface of the earth. In between the object and the earth, some attraction force acting. The attraction force is called gravitational force acting. By Newton's law of gravitation, force is directly proportional to product of the mass of the earth, mass of the body, and force is inversely proportional to square of the distance. So combine these two equations. F is proportional to capital M, mass of the earth, mass of the object by distance square. So cancel proportionality term, add one constant. G is a gravitational constant. F is equal to G capital M small m by r square. By Newton's second law of motion, F equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity G equal to acceleration. So F is equal to m into A. So here acceleration means rate of change of velocity. So G represent acceleration due to gravity. Velocity changes due to gravitational force. So we discussed already, a body thrown vertically upward direction, it reaches certain height and return back to the earth. While coming to the earth, the velocity changes due to gravitational pull, so acceleration is produced. This is called acceleration due to gravity. So replace A equal to G, so F equal to M into G. So equal these two equation 1 and equation 2, mg equal to G capital M small m by r square. So cancel mass of the object, m small m. We obtained acceleration due to gravity G equal to capital G m mass of the earth by distance square. So this is the relation between small g and capital G. So in this equation, acceleration due to gravity is directly proportional to mass of the earth and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. So distance increases, acceleration due to gravity decreases. Distance decreases, acceleration due to gravity increases. So with the help of this equation, we find the mass of the earth. So mass of the earth, m is equal to G into r square by capital G. So here G is acceleration due to gravity, radius of the earth, gravitational constant, substitute all the value. We find the mass of the earth, m is equal to 5.972 in 10 power 24 kilogram. Variation of acceleration due to gravity. So from this equation, acceleration due to gravity is inversely proportional to square of the distance. So earth is a ellipse. At the pole, radius is very less. Equator, radius very greater. So distance, radius decreases, acceleration due to gravity increases. At the pole, acceleration due to gravity is maximum because at the pole's distance that is radius decreases. At equator, acceleration due to gravity is minimum, radius increases. So consider Earth is a sphere, acceleration due to gravity decreases at a certain height from the Earth. Acceleration due to gravity decreases at a certain depth from the Earth. Depth increases, acceleration due to gravity decreases. Height increases, acceleration due to gravity decreases. So this is the variation of acceleration due to gravity.